You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this word and more confusing vocabulary in English that many mispronounce, including from French, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community. In English it's said as petite, petite. Yes, from French. In French, for reference, it's said as petite. Yes, it's very similar. Now, if you remove the E at the end, it becomes petit. Then the T becomes silent, but in this case, petite is how it's said in English, like in French. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Subscribe to learn more and like this video if you find it useful. It helps me immensely. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.